The Kia Ceed III offers multiple ways to lock and unlock its doors, ensuring convenience and security for drivers. These methods include key fob, keyless entry, interior central lock button, smartphone app via Kia Connect, and manual key for emergencies. The key fob is a battery-powered remote that uses radio frequency signals to lock and unlock doors from up to 10 meters away. Press the lock button to secure all doors and unlock to access the vehicle. Keyless entry uses proximity sensors to detect the smart key, automatically unlocking doors when you approach within 1 to 2 meters. Simply pull the door handle to access the vehicle hands-free. The interior central lock button on the driver's door panel controls all doors simultaneously. Press once to lock, press again to unlock. Rear doors feature child safety locks to prevent accidental opening. The Kia Connect app enables remote locking and unlocking through your smartphone. Available on iOS and Android, it uses secure two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. The manual key is stored inside the key fob as a backup. When the battery dies or electronics fail, insert the key into the door lock cylinder to manually unlock the vehicle. The key fob for the Kia Ceed III features buttons for lock, unlock, panic alarm, and trunk release. Press the lock button to secure all doors. Press the unlock button once to open the driver's door, or twice to open all doors, depending on your settings. The panic alarm button activates the car's alarm system. Use the trunk release button to open the trunk. The fob uses radio frequency at 314 to 433 MHz with a range of up to 10 meters. Ensure the fob's battery is charged for optimal performance. With keyless entry, proximity sensors detect the key fob within 1 to 2 meters of the car. Doors unlock automatically as you approach. When walking away, the doors lock. This is powered by ultra-wideband UWB technology in newer models for precise location. The system can be customized in the vehicle settings to control which doors unlock. The driver's door panel features a central lock button that controls all vehicle doors simultaneously. Press the button once to lock all doors, and press it again to unlock them. This provides convenient control from the driver's seat. For added safety, the rear doors include child safety locks that prevent passengers from opening the doors from the inside. Engage these locks when children are in the vehicle to ensure they cannot accidentally open the doors while the car is moving. In case of a dead battery or system malfunction, the Kia Ceed III includes a backup manual key stored within the key fob. This metal key allows mechanical unlocking of the driver's door. For extreme situations like severe weather or complete system failure, the Kia Access app provides an emergency unlock feature. This generates a temporary code to bypass the electronic system and unlock the vehicle remotely. The Kia Ceed III's immobilizer system acts as a critical anti-theft measure by preventing the engine from starting unless an authorized key is detected. This electronic device communicates with the vehicle's ECU and uses unique codes to verify key legitimacy. The double lock feature provides enhanced security by disabling interior door handles when activated. This prevents thieves from breaking a window and opening doors from inside. It's typically engaged through the key fob or central lock button, adding an extra layer of protection against forced entry. Alarm sensors monitor doors, hood, and trunk for unauthorized access. These sensors trigger the vehicle's alarm system if they detect vibration or opening without proper authorization. Combined with the immobilizer and double lock, these features create multiple deterrents against theft, significantly reducing the risk of vehicle break-ins. To maintain optimal security, regularly update your vehicle's software through over-the-air updates to access the latest security patches. Kia employs advanced AES 256 encryption to protect against relay attacks and other security threats. Stay aware of cybersecurity risks and ensure your Kia Connect app is secure with strong passwords and regular updates. Failing to install software updates can leave your vehicle more vulnerable to exploits. For any locking or unlocking issues, reach out to Kia support for assistance.